Everyone talks about personal branding in 2025, but no one tells you how to actually make money from it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a personal brand that not only looks good, but brings in real income, whether you're a creator, freelancer, or entrepreneur. Let's break it down, step by step. What is a personal brand that makes money? A personal brand isn't just your logo or your Instagram bio. It's how people see you, trust you, and eventually pay you based on your value, your content, and your credibility. In 2025, people don't buy products. They buy people they trust. Your brand is your online identity, plus the trust behind it. That's what makes it profitable. 5 ways to monetize a personal brand in 2025. So how do you actually make money with your personal brand? Here are 5 proven ways in 2025. 1. Content creation. Whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, build an audience and monetize through ads, brand deals, or memberships. 2nd, digital products. Create ebooks, templates, courses. Once built, they can earn you passive income. 3, coaching or consulting. If you have experience, sell your expertise. People will pay for results. Non-Gavadu affiliate marketing. Recommend tools or products you trust and earn commissions. 5th, brand collaborations. In 2025, brands want real people, not just influencers, to represent them. Build trust, deliver value, then monetize. What you need to start. Don't overthink it. Here's what you actually need to start building a personal brand that earns. First, a clear niche. Who do you help? What are you known for? Second, your signature style. This is your tone, your vibe, your personality. Let it come through in your content. Third, choose one main platform. Don't try to be everywhere. Start where your audience is. YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever fits you. Fourth, consistent content. Show up weekly, share value, tell your story. And finally, social proof. Testimonials, wins, results, behind the scenes. It all builds trust. Tools to build and scale in 2025. In 2025, you don't need a team to build a powerful brand. You just need the right tools. Use ChatGPT to write content, captions, emails, Canva for stunning visuals, Leonardo AI for thumbnails and branding images, Notion AI to plan your content, CapCut to edit your videos and add auto subtitles. These tools let you build like a pro, even if you're solo. Use them to save time, scale faster, and stay consistent. Here's a bonus tip most creators completely ignore. Build an email list, even if it's small. Why? Because unlike social media, your email list is something you own. A loyal list of just 200 people can generate more income than 10,000 Instagram followers. Why? Because those 200 people trust you. They open your emails, they click your links, and they buy what you recommend. Use simple tools like ConvertKit, Beehive, or MailerLite to start. And here's the trick. Offer something valuable for free, like a short guide or checklist, to get people to sign up. This is one of the smartest long-term moves. If you want to turn your personal brand into a money-making machine, here's what most people get wrong. They try to sell before they build trust. Instead, focus on helping. Position yourself as a trusted guide, not just another content creator. Reinvest what you earn into better content, better tools, maybe even ads, and be consistent for at least 3 to 6 months. That's when the momentum kicks in. Your personal brand is a long-term asset, and in 2025, it's the most powerful thing you can own. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe. I share real strategies like this every week. Drop a comment. What's the first way you plan to monetize your personal brand?